Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing the part 2 of my massive Dollar Tree haul. This one is definitely more makeup heavy, so I hope you guys enjoy makeup products from the Dollar Tree because we're literally going to be talking about a lot of new LA Colors products and also some Ioni Cosmetics lashes again. And then we have one miscellaneous product in today's video, which let's just get into it. If you want to see what I picked up, just keep on watching. Forgot to mention that I do have a playlist which is always linked down below. If you want to check out my past videos, you want to see part 1, it's going to be down below. Let's go ahead and get the miscellaneous product out of the way. We have a Smart Care Ultra Soft Scented, I never noticed these are scented, facial tissues. So these are basically just a box of tissues. I usually go with a pink box or something purpley like this, so I just went ahead and picked this one up. I can't find the Barbie tissues anymore, the ones that used to come in the box. It was so cute, but yeah, I just went ahead and bought the lavender one. I went ahead and picked up 2 more of the Wet n Wild brushes. You guys know, girl, I love these brushes. These are so good. So we have the Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, which looks like so. The small eyeshadow brush, honestly this is more like a shader brush situation. We also have their contour brush. There's a look at the contour brush. It's a little like squished, but there's a look at that. We also have the flat brush, which looks like so. These are so good. Should we just get into the makeup? I'm kind of like embarrassed on how much I picked up, but let's talk about lashes first. I picked up 4 pairs of Ioni Cosmetics lashes. I love the fact that they started adding halfling lashes because I've really been into those as of lately. This first lash is the Blue Ombre Cluster Long. It does have blue in it, as you can tell. It looks so nice, and these are the Wilshire Boulevard style. And then we also do have a image on the back of how they will look on your eye potentially. These were all like kind of fun, so that's why I picked them up. We also have this style in holographic rhinestones, full cat eye, in the style Rodeo Drive, and there's the image on the back of what they'll look like. We also have the wispy fox crisscross style in Los Angeles, and there's an image on the back. Lastly, for lashes, we have the wispy baby fox cluster curl style in Hollywood. So yes, I really have been like wanting to try these halfling lashes out. They're just really intriguing. So yeah, especially this style looks really cute, so I can't wait to try these out on the eye and see my thoughts, but they look stunning. Well, you guys have watched my declutters, and I have decluttered these products from my collection in the past, but it looks like they came out with some new ones. These are the LA Colors Jelly Balms, and we have the one in strawberry, kiwi, and cherry. Let's look at those 2. They look really cute. I got very much into that like Valentine's kind of vibe with the red and pink. A close-up look at the one in strawberry kiwi. Let's see if they smell. I get like no scent from this, but these are very much like, oh, I remember the other ones that I had were much more pigmented than this, but it basically just looks like a lip balm. What? Let's do the other one. This one here is in cherry. I remember they had a little bit of a tint. What? So I guess they did change the formula because now they're just balmy and clear. Interesting. This one has like a tad bit of tint to it, but nothing crazy. Okay, they might be my cup of tea now. Okay, girl. I picked up 1 lipstick. They had so many beautiful colors. It was hard to walk away with just 1 shade, but I picked up the one that just called out to me the most like pinky one. This is the LA Colors lipstick. It has a creamy finish in the shade Cuddle. It's so beautiful, and this one's just vibing, I guess, as a collection. Let's hope the shade itself is pretty. Let's see. There's a close-up at the lipstick. Ooh. Oh, yes, as expected. Such a beautiful pinky tone. It's almost like a mauve pink. Love. Ooh, it's so cute. Much better than expected. Love. Also, some products that I've decluttered in my past, but I picked up 2 of the LA Colors Jelly Gloss. Now, the reason of they were decluttered or whatever, I just didn't reach for them as often. But like I mentioned, like these lip balms, I remember they were much more pigmented in the past, and that's why I didn't reach for them, because I don't really want my lip balm to have color to it because I'm just throwing it on at night. I don't want all that color to be all over my lips. The jelly glosses as well, they just were sitting in my collection. They were really old, but these colors just called out to me. Again, jelly gloss, and this one here is in Candyland, and we also have the one in watermelon. There's a look at those two glosses. Stunning. Again, more of the Valentine's kind of vibe with the red and pink. You know what, now that I'm looking at it, it's more like a dark pink, and I don't know, they both look kind of pinky to me. Let's look at those two. They come with this type of applicator, which is really nice, really soft. So let's see the colors. Let's swatch them. Ooh. So first off, we have Candyland. Okay, much more clear than I expected. And let's see this one here in watermelon. Ooh, watermelon is so cute. So there's a swatch of those. This one here's a watermelon and Candyland. But again, very clear vibes. I thought they were going to be much more pigmented. I think the ones that I had in the past were. So I love the fact that they're more clear. Do they smell? Oh, very nice and sweet. Nothing overpowering. Okay, girl. These are nice. I can't wait to try these out on the lips. I also did pick up two of the LA Colors Just Vibing Sheer Color lip glosses. We have two shades here. There's a look at the packaging. We have the shade Passion, and the shade Love. There's a look at the two glosses. I'm loving this packaging with that pink cover on it. That is so cute. Let's swatch the shade Love. That's so cute. See how they smell. A nice like vanilla kind of scent to it. This one's very like light on the scent. Let's swatch Passion. There's Passion, there's Love. So cute. So I want to note, there's a look at the dofa. It's a little slanted, which is going to be so nice on the lips. Cannot wait to try these out, just like everything else in this video. Again, stick around because I'm going to be doing full faces on all these products. So yeah, it's going to be fun. Right, so next we have some of their new cream products. These are the LA Colors Cream Gel Bronzer. I picked up one bronzer because it's the only one they had available at my Dollar Tree. This one here is in the shade Sunflower. Not sure it's going to match me at all, but we'll see how this looks. It looks like it's going to be a shimmer as well. We also have one cream gel highlight. This one here is in the shade Jasmine Flower. The star of the show are all the gel blushes that I picked up. Girl, I think I picked up every single blush because I need to get rid of my old ones and replace them with these new ones. You guys know how I feel about my LA Colors cream blushes or gel blushes, but they did add 4 new shades, so we're going to go ahead and swatch all of them. But girl, yay! There's a close-up look at the bronzer. Now the only thing that I have with this packaging is it is rather messy vibes. Ooh, there's a color right there. It honestly looks like it definitely is going to work out for my skin tone. If your skin is any deeper than mine, I don't know if this shade is going to match you too well. It's just like super light vibes. This one is the only one that I saw at my Dollar Tree in Sunflower. So we have their cream highlight. This one here is in Jasmine Flower. Now I can definitely see, I don't know if you're going to be able to tell, but you can see where the product ends. So all of this here is nothing. It's just air. And the product is down here. Girl, because I'm looking at it through the light. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to tell. I don't think so, but I could see it clear as day, girl. There's a look at the highlight. Honestly, looks really beautiful. Again, this one here is in the shade Jasmine Flower. And I think this was the only shade that was also available at my Dollar Tree, and it just looks stunning. I'm pleasantly surprised by their cream products because I don't think they've added bronzer or highlight to this collection, so yay. All right, so first off we have the shade Orchid, which is actually very light vibes, very much peachy. Here's a look at that. Next we have the shade Tulips, which looks really beautiful. Definitely going to be my favorite, which is this pinky tone here. Never mind, I think this one and the last one is going to be my favorite. This one here is in Peonies. Look at how vibrant that shade is. So beautiful. Lastly, we have the shade Rose Garden, which honestly I expected to be the deepest, and it honestly turned out to be the lightest one out of the 4. So good thing we're doing this swatching business, so you can keep that in mind when you're purchasing. But again, this one here is in Rose Garden, which is the lightest one out of the 4. Don't go based off the packaging because it's not it. They honestly don't look like the packaging at all. So along with the cream products, they also added some face powders, which I'm really excited about. Well, face powders, some like contour, bronzer, blush situation. So we have a couple of those products here. We have 1 bronzer, 2 blushes, and 1 highlight. There's a look at those products together. First off, we have the LA Colors Just Vibing highlight, and this one here is in the shade Always Out, which looks like so. We have their bronzer in the shade Let's Go, which looks like so. We have their Just Vibing blush in XOXO, and also the one in Text Me. There's a swatch of the highlight in Always Out. Looks really beautiful. Maybe a little dark for my skin tone, but we can make it work. I remember I had a highlight that was similar to this from LA Colors, but I think I decluttered it. However, we do have the Just Vibing bronzer and Let's Go. I also do have this in a different shade, I think, so we're gonna compare those. There's the bronzer. It looks so good. I think it's definitely gonna work out for my skin tone. It's really nice and creamy as well. So far the highlight and bronzer have been really good. So this is the bronzer that I have, the LA Colors Nude Glam bronzer. So let's go ahead and swatch these again. Oh girl, decides to break in its grand debut. Let's swatch them against each other and let's see how they look. Almost look similar vibes, but I think this one here is lighter, right? I can't tell with the lighting, but there you go. So this one here is in Let's Go, and this one here is in Siren. Next we have the blush XOXO, which I swatched right here. Really nice and peachy vibes. Lastly, we have the shade Text Me, which is so beautiful, so nice and vibrant. This is definitely going to be one of my favorite go-to blushes now. So there's a swatch of all 4 products, including the comparison swatch. But yeah, they look so good. Cannot wait to try these out. I'm honestly more excited about these than the creams. But yeah, bronzer for sure is going to be a favorite as well. The highlight looks a little dark, but we can make it work. Just look at those. So can't wait to try these out on the face. Finally get into eyeshadow, which I've been kind of dreading, but I picked up 2 different collections. First off, we have the Matte For You collection. I picked up all 4 of the palettes, and we also have their Just Vibing set, which also came with 4 different palettes. And I also did pick up 2 other palettes in my last video, my part 1 of this Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and get into swatching. First off, we have the Matte For You quad in the shade Cake Pop. So there's a swatch of the one in Cake Pop. Next one is in Cherry Tart. So we have the Tea Party, which I think is just stunning. You get the mint, you get the browns. Looks so cute. And lastly, we have the one in Mad Hatter, which is right there. So there's a swatch of all 4 palettes, but the mint one is really calling out to me. The orange one was really cute as well. So all of them are honestly really blowing me away. They're really nice and pigmented. Again, the packaging is just so cute. There's a look at those again. This is how they look on the back. Next, let's go ahead and swatch the Just Vibing collection. All right, so we have the first one in the style Good Times, which honestly looks really beautiful. Next, we have the one in Feeling Good, which is very much purpley vibes. Looks so cute. Next, we have the one in We're Cool, which is definitely more like cool tone vibes. That's so cute. And lastly, we have the one in Always Down, which is definitely much more like gray vibes. But I'm loving, there's a close-up look at the packaging, how everything looks swatched next to each other. Look at how stunning those swatches are. These are so beautiful. I'm so excited to try these out on the eyes. Let me know your thoughts down below. Have you found this collection? Are you hunting for it? Let me know. I cannot wait to try all of this on my face. We're definitely going to be doing full faces coming up soon on my channel, so definitely stick around, subscribe, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.